Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried rice using leftover rice. Using cold, day-old rice is absolutely essential for that perfect non-sticky texture, as it has less moisture. Before you even turn on the stove, make sure all your ingredients are prepped and ready to go. This includes chopping your vegetables and proteins into small, uniform pieces and mixing your sauce. This preparation, often called mise en place, makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large wok or a spacious skillet over medium-high heat. Once shimmering, add your protein, perhaps chicken, shrimp, or tofu, and cook it until it's almost fully done, then set it aside. Now, quickly sauté your aromatics like minced garlic and grated ginger for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, add your harder vegetables, such as diced carrots and peas, cooking them for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly tender crisp. Now push your cooked vegetables to one side of the wok and add another small splash of oil to the empty space. Immediately add your cold, leftover rice to this hot spot. Use your spatula to break up any clumps, ensuring the rice separates into individual grains. Cook the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing it to get slightly crispy. Then, pour your premixed sauce evenly over the rice and vegetables, stirring everything together until well combined and heated through. Finally, stir in any of your previously cooked protein that you set aside earlier. For an extra touch, push the rice to one side, add a tiny bit more oil, and quickly scramble 1 or 2 eggs directly in the wok, then mix them into the rice. Garnish your beautiful fried rice with freshly chopped green onions or cilantro for a burst of color and flavor. Serve your homemade fried rice immediately while it's hot and fragrant. Enjoy your quick, satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.